Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super intriguing: female sexual desire. Specifically, we're going to be looking at the countries where women report the highest levels of wanting and enjoying sex. Every woman's experience is unique, shaped by her culture, upbringing, and personal journey. So, buckle up as we explore the top 10 countries where women are owning their desires and challenging those tired old stereotypes. Let's kick things off in Brazil, a country practically synonymous with vibrancy and passion. From a young age, Brazilian women are immersed in a culture that celebrates the female form and encourages open conversations about sex. There's a definite sense of owning your desires and feeling empowered to go after what you want. Next up, we're heading to Scandinavia, where Sweden takes the lead in progressive thinking, and that includes attitudes towards sex. This focus on open communication and smashing those taboos creates an environment where women feel confident expressing their needs and exploring their sexuality. Swedish women consistently report high levels of sexual satisfaction and a general comfort with talking about sex. Our next stop is the Netherlands, a country known for its straightforward and refreshing approach to pretty much everything, including sex. Kids are learning about sex in a factual, no-shame way from a young age, which helps to create a more open and accepting society overall. This open dialogue means Dutch women are more likely to feel empowered to ask for what they want in bed and to enjoy their sexuality. Chapter 4. Spain, a fiesta for the senses. Spain has a reputation for being passionate and romantic, and when it comes to expressing that passion, they're not exactly known for holding back. Spanish women are increasingly challenging traditional gender roles and demanding equality both in and out of the bedroom. This blend of tradition and modern thinking makes for a pretty exciting and dynamic approach to sexuality. Chapter 5. Italy, where romance and passion collide. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the gondolas of Venice, Italy just oozes romance. Italian women are raised to appreciate beauty, sensuality, and the art of seduction. There's a growing movement towards embracing female pleasure and sexual liberation. Chapter 6. Mexico, a fusion of tradition and modernity. There's a fascinating interplay between traditional values, often rooted in Catholicism, and the influence of modern feminism and changing social norms. There's a vibrancy and passion in Mexican culture that extends to how women experience and express their sexuality. Chapter 7. Australia, laid-back vibes, open minds. Aussies are generally pretty open-minded when it comes to sex, and there's a strong emphasis on individual freedom and choice. This translates to a culture where women are generally more comfortable talking about sex, experimenting, and figuring out what works for them. The United States is a big, diverse place, so it's impossible to make sweeping generalizations about sexual attitudes. American women have been at the forefront of the fight for sexual liberation for decades. This has led to greater openness and acceptance of diverse sexualities and desires, though there's still a long way to go in terms of achieving true equality. South Africa is a country with a rich tapestry of cultures and a history marked by both struggle and triumph. There's a growing movement towards embracing diversity and empowering women to own their sexuality. We're wrapping things up in Argentina, a country known for its passionate tango dancing and a healthy appreciation for sensuality. Argentinian culture embraces romance and intimacy, encouraging women to express their desires openly. So there you have it, a glimpse into 10 countries where women are challenging stereotypes and embracing their sexual desires. The point isn't to rank countries or make anyone feel like they're doing sex right or wrong. It's about starting conversations, challenging our own biases, and celebrating the incredible diversity of female sexuality around the world. If you enjoyed this exploration, hit that subscribe button and join the conversation in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.